it's your beauty, Mimi's Life, and I am back with another video. And of course, by that title, y'all see that I have a guest. This is my sister Sharhonda, and she will be joining me today on rating Chick-fil-A versus Popeyes. And y'all, for real, I never had this sandwich before. And everybody's really crazy about Chick-fil-A, but I really never had this sandwich.
You ain't never had that sandwich before.
I never had this sandwich. I'm so serious.
Even on the school bus?
Yeah, what school bus?
They always used to pass out Chick-fil-A sandwich when we were on trips.
1986? Pick up sticks?
1986.
No, I never had this sandwich before. So, of course, we will be tasting this sandwich and see, what's the hype about, and of course, if you like this video, you want to see more, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let's try to get this video to at least 5 likes. Yeah.
What?
5 likes.
5 likes?
Yeah, 5. You gotta
just 5?
Yeah, just 5. That's all we want is 5 likes. And if we get 5 likes, and you already know I'm dropping more and more bangers, pranks, whatever y'all want to see, just put it down in the comment. So I guess So I guess we can just do Popeyes first. I actually had this sandwich. I don't know if it was. Oh, this is spicy. So I had the regular one, and it was pretty good. So I guess we can just see what it tastes like and what's the hype about. This tastes like a balloon. No, yeah, but this sandwich is really good.
Yeah. Especially if you're hungry.
This is the bomb. It's good. It's good, y'all. It's spicy. Ooh.
Hot.
Yeah, real hot. Ooh. I give it a 8.
We're doing too much. 8.
I give it an 8. I give it an 8. I'm gonna chew this thing up. Trip off. All right, y'all. Now we be doing Chick-fil-A. And this, by this little sandwich, it's hype, and Georgia. It's hype. That's where we at, Georgia. So, let's see what's going on with this one. Oh no, damn, my thing flipped.
Ew, that don't look right. It just looks so plain.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh no.
It's more now, what?
Oh no. Somebody was playing
yeah, this is the truth.com. Like,
man.
I don't know.
This is a bad trick sandwich. I'm sorry. This thing is good.
Oh, God.
I don't know, Popeye.
You know what?
The spice mouth.
That's that back in the days.
Yes, that's that chicken sandwich.
That's that Auntie
wake up in the
Kristen
morning
mama
and flat the bread real good.
Oh,
you can get the chicken sandwich taste.
That's that good.
I don't want to know.
I know when your grandma used to get up and cook for you in the morning.
Well, in our case,
this the real deal. This the real deal, y'all. I'm sorry. And I eat Popeyes a lot. I'm trying to sweat. I'm trying to lose this weight. I'm sorry. You say Chick-fil-A too?
I say Chick-fil-A.
For real?
I was going to say that one, but I see now. Chick-fil-A kind of got a little kick to it.
Oh, a little sweet.
Yeah, it did.
That apple.
Yes, it's so good.
Oh, my God.
I ain't Chick-fil-A, and I almost cut y'all out earlier.
What? Really?
Yeah.
Y'all, it's hitting too though. I ain't gonna lie. It's good. It's good.
It's okay.
But you know,
But this is the
this
school
the new
bus.
school. This the old school. This the old school.
Yes.
When we used to get on the school bus
I
and
thought
sack
you-
lunches. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. No, I know what you're talking about now. I know what you're talking about now. Chick-fil-A. Okay.
There was always Chick-fil-A sandwich.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about now. I don't think I never had them Chick-fil-A sandwiches though, for real, because they had minis and everything. I ain't just had them Chick-fil-A sandwiches. So, what y'all think, y'all? They got it, y'all. They won. It's good. Just the taste is just in your mouth. Glittle.
Glitter.
Yeah, that's good, y'all. This Chick-fil-A sandwich is the bomb.
It's all right.
So, y'all already know what to do. Y'all know to like this video. Let me know what y'all think about these sandwiches too. Y'all want to see more videos like this or whatever y'all want to see? I'm doing it, y'all. We can make it happen. Okay, y'all, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you got going on, like what you want to see, you know? We down. Like, if you want to see more videos with my sister, just let us know. And of course, you can follow her on Instagram at
music_soul_1234. You don't know how to use it.
But it doesn't matter. I'm gonna put it down in the comment, you know, description. We're gonna get it. Of course, follow all my other social medias. I'm gonna put everything down in the description box. And that's it, y'all. Peace.